Oh!
Easy.
The printed books go to the bookstore, where we buy and read them. If we do not need them anymore, it's important to recycle them, as they'll go to a recycling plant and a new book will be created. What's your favorite book? It's very important to recycle all the waste that you can to prevent it from going into a landfill. Recycling gives products a new life. If we all recycle, natural resources will last much longer. In the recycling plant, everything that can be used is recycled. Each type of waste has a different method of recycling. For example, glass is crushed and then melted to make new bottles. On the other hand, paper is made into a paste that will later be used to make more paper. Remove non-paper objects from the recycling factory.
Easy.
Paper is made with old paper, water, rags, and wood chips, and mixed with chemical products. The resulting paste is placed in a mesh, where the excess water is dried and pressed between rollers. Have you ever participated in a recycled paper workshop? It's a lot of fun. Oh no! The paper-making machine has broken down. Fix it! Paper is rolled into large spools, but these are difficult to transport and work, so smaller paper packages are made with a cutter machine to be sent to the printing plant. Writers and illustrators create their books and then use computers at the publishing house to design and format them. The content is arranged, i.e., the text and illustrations, so that it's organized, beautiful, and easy to read. The book that has been formatted on the computer is transformed into printing plates, which are large sheets of aluminum with the 4 basic colors: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Paper is blank in a rotary printer, and each runner adds a color, each one added over the other until the final result is obtained. Print the notebook with the 4 different inks.
Easy.
Make holes in the notebook to be able to bind it.
Easy.